Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I mentioned that we could soon see noticeable activity, and we just witnessed that on the 1-hour time frame. The price bounced directly off the yellow downtrend line at the end of the handle in a classic cup and handle formation. This zone acted as a kickoff point for upward momentum, which fits the expected behavior of that pattern. If we measure the vertical distance from the bottom of the cup up to the breakout level at the handle's resistance, and then extend that distance higher, the projected target lands around 111,500. Interestingly, price peaked right there just a few hours ago, shortly after breaking above 111,000. Based on the current flow, a retest of 112,000 looks likely. Turning to the heat maps, on the 3-day and 1-week views, the strongest liquidity sits near 114,600, which matches our calculated projection. On the 2-week and 1-month views, the most notable cluster is much lower, around 107,100, with an open pocket that stretches down to 106,600. This is where we need to be cautious. A potential Darth Maul candle could appear. That's when price quickly sweeps down into medium-term liquidity before snapping back upward into short-term liquidity within the same day. Even with that risk, broader momentum still appears to favor the upside through September. We can also observe converging trend lines on the current chart. A series of higher lows and lower highs has been forming a symmetrical triangle pattern. This type of structure often signals a period of reduced volatility before decisive breakout in either direction. If we measure the height of that triangle at its widest point, subtracting the lowest price from the highest price during its early stages, and then project that move from the breakout zone, the estimated target sits near 115,000. This level also overlaps with the upper portion of the highlighted red liquidity box. I'll continue updating you daily as new developments unfold. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Tap the like button if you found value in this analysis, and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss the next update. And see you in the next one.